How to use morning pages journaling as part of your best morning routine. You've probably seen people post about their use of morning pages on Instagram or Pinterest. But have you tried it yourself? No? Why the heck not? Writing morning pages is a simple practice that can be an added benefit to not only your morning routine, but your day as well. Creating morning pages is the act of writing 3 pages of free-flowing thought by longhand. You are probably thinking, isn't that journaling? Yes, it is. However, morning pages are done first thing in the morning and without any premeditation as to what will be written. The benefits of this practice are vast. The process will allow you to clear the revolving ideas from your mind, open up new ways of thinking, and help lessen anxiety or negative thought patterns your mind naturally gravitates towards. The act of writing down in longhand what is floating in your mind allows you to engage with your own thoughts and surroundings in a way that typing does not allow. This is mostly because you are slowing down and can, therefore, take more notice of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. Now that you know about morning pages, how do you incorporate this into your morning routine? You will first need your preferred writing utensil. This can be a pen or pencil, as well as a notebook or blank loose paper. The next and final step is placing yourself with those items as soon as possible after waking up in the morning. You can do your morning pages from your bed or kitchen counter, with tea or coffee or a sports drink even. At first, it may seem challenging to sit and write 3 pages longhand. Your hand may cramp. You may not know what to write, and 3 pages could seem like an eternity. The point is to stick with the process. If day 1 you only write half a page, be sure not to take a defeatist standpoint. Come back the next morning and try again. Remember that no one is going to read what you write. Your words do not need to be profound, thought-provoking, or even grammatically correct. You just have to write. Any thoughts, feelings, or dreams that come to mind go onto the paper. You can even throw away your pages every morning when you're done. Morning pages can seem incredibly daunting, but do not let that stop you from exploring the benefits for yourself.